Sierra Chart is extremely deep and powerful with many features. It takes a lot of exploring and experience to discover options that can greatly improve your productivity with the platform. That's where this webinar comes in. I'm Jonathan van Clute, Community Manager at Trading Research Group and Sierra Chart Efficiency Obsessive. Join me as I share 5 quick and easy productivity tips in Sierra Chart that you'll want to know about. This webinar will be short and sweet, but still allow time for your questions about the tips, so you get the answers you need live. It's completely free, so register now. It's this Saturday, February 12th, 2022 at 1 p.m. Pacific, 4 p.m. Eastern, or 9 p.m. GMT. This is the first of a series discussing things from basic efficiency optimizations to custom visualizations to building complex spreadsheet trading systems to make Sierra Chart do things you thought it couldn't. So join me for this inaugural session and see what you pick up. I look forward to meeting you there.